Hello, this is Cat Fan Comics Man here with a new comic book day haul for the week of February 7th, 2024. There's 2 weeks worth of comics here, and not my chipper normal self, but I'll get through this. Just been a rough weekend. Let's just put it that way. My health has been on the decline here lately, and I gotta talk to my doctors, but I'm okay. At least, fingers crossed. But I think I have like 16 comics, something like that. So I'll go ahead and get started here. First up, we have Wolverine, issue number 42. And this is the A cover. Up next, we have Venom, issue number 30. And this is the A cover. My heater just kicked on. Up next, we have Spine Tingling Spider-Man, issue number 4. Also an A cover. Then we have Spider-Boy, issue number 3. Now this is the Vicentini Stormbreakers variant. I really like this cover, so I picked it for the cover for this week. Then we have Miguel O'Hara Spider-Man 2099, issue number 5. This is the Clayton Crane variant. Let's see, here is Doctor Strange, issue number 12. Now, this is the Darbo Marvel 97 variant. I've had to redo this video 4 or 5 times, so I pretty much memorized the variants. Then everyone knows I like X-Men, so here we have Dead X-Men, a new series, issue number 1, and that's the A cover. Then we have Carnage, issue number 3. This is the Marvel Masterpieces 3 variant. Like a trading card variant. I love this cover, so I picked it. Then we have Avengers Inc., issue number 5. This is the Todd Knock Wolverine variant. Actually, it's the Knock Wolverine variant. I don't know why it's 3 Wolverines, but that's the title of the variant. Weird. Then, let's see here. Avengers, issue number 10. This is the A cover. And here we have Damn Them All, issue number 12. Now this is the FOC Reveal variant, Virgin cover variant. I'm still picking up Damn Them All. It's a good series. But unfortunately, I forgot to order my comics for this week. So in 4 weeks, I won't have any comics. Uh-oh. Not good. Because my online LCS cuts us off on Friday. So we don't even get the weekend to order. Now, here, I accidentally picked up 2 copies of this, so one will be going into my upcoming giveaway before long, so watch for that. Turn on your notifications. This will go in with the facsimile Wolverine variant. I mean, the facsimile Wolverine cover that I picked up one too many of, and then there's a couple other ones, but this will be going in the giveaway. The Amazing Spider-Man issue number 252 facsimile. And then, if I'm going to pick up the facsimile, if it's available, I'm going to pick up the foil cover. Make sure. I hope you can see that. It is a gorgeous cover in person. I love the facsimiles when they put them out in foil. And then the last book I picked up is there's actually 4, but they all have the same title. They're just different covers. And that is Thundercats, issue number 1. This is the Nakayama A cover right here. Then here is the Nakayama foil variant of that cover, which I think is just gorgeous. I guess I'm a foil freak for some reason. I just love the foil covers. And this one is so dark, I really hope it shows up. I didn't get the regular cover, but I did pick up the foil variant. And this is the Perillo cover of Thundercats, number 1. I hope that shows up. Hopefully you get a quick view of it. It's so dark, but it's a really gorgeous cover. And then last, but certainly not least, it really pops. I love this. I got another foil cover. I got 3 foil covers for Thundercats. I still don't think I grabbed all the foil covers. I think there was one more that I didn't grab. But this is the gold Thundercats symbol cover variant. And that gold really makes that pop, I think. It is just gorgeous. I love that cover. Well, those were my pickups for the week of February 7th, 2024. I just know one of these times I'm going to say 23. But please hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I do my daily comic and collectible show Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. It's a fun show. A lot of us get together in the mornings when they're having their coffee and their caffeine and either wake up or start their day at the job or whatever and catch a 10-15 minute episode of a comic and a matching collectible with that comic. And I tell the story of the comic and tell you a little bit about the collectible that goes with it. So you might want to check it out. It's a lot of fun. I also do drop 2 or 3 shorts a day, which I'll be cutting back on here shortly. For a lot of different reasons, but unfortunately, I have to. But I'm going to keep my comic and collectible going for 5 days a week with just weekends off. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this new comic book day. And I hope I picked up some comics that you're interested in. If so, let me know what you liked. Or if I'm missing out on something that you think I should be checking out, please let me know in the comments. Other than that, as always, this is Cat Fan Comics Man, and I'll catch you on the flip. Over and out.